Hi guys, welcome back to Renable Nerds. It's been a while I posted video due to this COVID-19. Today I am going to visit one gold-faced mall in Colombo. Stay tuned and watch it out.
Now I have reached the One Goldface Mall. One Goldface is a mixed use of complex of buildings situated near the Goldface Green in Colombo, Sri Lanka. It is also Sri Lanka's first internationally and developed and managed mixed use project and was officially opened on 8 November 2019. A shopping mall is also part of the project. The premises is entirely owned by Shangri-La. You will also have access to first-class shopping and dining through One Goldface Mall, expensive workspace in One Goldface Tower, and internationally service of Shangri-La Hotel. The level 2, level 3 and level 4 are comprises of different kind of shopping places, especially for shopping lovers, as you can see. Here we came to the play area, which has been temporarily closed due to the pandemic. This is the area where kids love to visit, but I am going to have my lunch before entering the gaming area. Now I am at Dynamo within the mall to have my lunch. I am back to the gaming area to try few games. Now I am visiting the ground floor, which has an interesting part. The food court at One Goldface is one of its highlight, and apart from Minisu and Keels, it takes up the entire lower ground floor. These are not the only restaurant available at the mall, but the majority of them are situated here. This massive food court at One Goldface seems to know exactly what to do and exactly what the customer would like and appreciate. As the food court of largest mall in Sri Lanka, it definitely does not disappoint. This is the rooftop of the One Goldface Mall, which has a beautiful view where we can see the entire port city and the Goldface beach. Hope you have enjoyed this video. For more fun-filled content, keep watching Red Apple. Like, share and subscribe my video.